right? I'm the tall one in this video.
Short.
Yeah. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Cody.
Hey, Cody.
And we are back with another video for y'all. Yeah, you like them intros? That energy? Oh my god, it's just so nice. You know why we have that? We really shouldn't, but we have it because we've been in the gym, boy. I know you can't really see much on that, but yeah. No, so this is day 2.
But we hurt, y'all.
Yeah. We did arms today, so honestly, y'all are getting real heavy.
Yeah, right.
Holding this camera. But yeah, so we wanted to make a lifestyle change. Got back into the gym. Next time y'all see us, well, no, y'all will be seeing us through the progression. But if y'all see us like from this video, and then y'all go look in like a year, y'all be like, damn, them boys did it. Yeah, we gonna. Yeah, he gonna be a meatball. So, yeah, that's what we're doing. We have the energy though, cause we are.
I got a new mic.
Yeah, got a CBR right here. You know,
Ain't she pretty?
She's gorgeous, man. You know, I thought you were the Pumpkin King. You know, you
Right.
had orange, but this is red.
Yeah, no, put a filter on there. Put a filter.
Okay, I got you. But yeah, no, we're gonna do a wrap on this bike. This one's gonna be a little different. Ever since the Jigsaw Bra video, it seems like there's been a bunch of half wrap bikes, like kind of coming onto the surface or whatnot. So this is just another one of those.
Another one.
And yeah, so what we're gonna do is a satin pearl white on one side, and we're gonna keep the factory color on the other side. The only thing is with this, the customer actually has a bunch of parts that he's replacing with forged carbon, so we're not even going to be wrapping those. So it might look a little weird like when we're done, but when it's all said and done, I think it's going to be really nice.
It looks pretty clean. He's got a little feature that he's going to throw on there too that's a little different than everybody else. So.
Yeah, we'll show you guys that.
A little extra on the half.
Yeah. But overall though, yeah, no, super clean bike. I believe
18.
I think so. Yeah. So 2018 body style. You know, it's got these nice, like, aggressive fairings up front. The air ducts go like way back in there, and I think it's pretty cool. I mean, it's got a nice little Leo Vince pipe. The sound wasn't like anything too crazy.
Yeah,
we were excited about, but
usually Leo Vince, man, they sound really good. But I feel like this one provides more engine noise than maybe he's got a big baffle in there.
yeah,
When you
maybe
pull
so.
that out.
Right? Yeah, that's an upgrade.
That is a wicked double bubble.
Right? This thing is super skinny. Like,
And it's like super red.
it's got a yeah, it is. It's like some cherry Kool-Aid.
Yeah, it looks
Yeah,
yummy.
they dipped it. That's some candy. It's like a rock
That used
candy.
to be
Break
my
a
favorite
piece
color.
off.
Was
Red.
Like this would be my dream bike in
Yeah.
probably like 2010.
Right.
Like
My things
It's
changed.
like
Now the
gold.
button shifted to orange.
yeah, but it's like a version of
Yeah,
red,
right?
It's
It's just
more.
yeah, on the color wheel it hasn't turned all the way yet.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Ooh.
Oh, wait, that's
You
the
look
big
like
one.
what's that picture of that woman?
Oh, yeah.
That she's like, yeah. But yeah, so I think we're gonna do it like kind of how we've been doing some of our recent videos where
Vlogulations.
yeah, it's more vlog style.
That's copyright Ricky Bobby.
And yeah, so we're not gonna bore you guys too much. We're not gonna show you some time lapse. We're just gonna do it vlog style mostly. But as far as the starting process, we're gonna have to remove some of these panels. So I'm gonna just go ahead and start doing one of those. What you doing?
Oh, just seeing.
Don't skip leg day, y'all.
Yeah.
Not saying he
I
did.
can't, man. I look so funny. We gonna get started.
But we gonna get started.
What the heck is going on here, boys?
Oh, you know, just destroying some stuff over here. That's what we do. Destruct. But then we recreate and we make things
Beautiful. So yeah, he's got all the fairings off. Well, all the ones off that he needs to take off because it's happy. And getting some of the residue from the factory stickers off. There's a Lilith here.
Oh yeah.
Say hi, puppy. Yeah,
I'm home.
she said I'm hungry. But yeah, all this crap right here. Eee, we gotta get that off.
Yeah. So really, a lot of that there's not any real glue on here. That's actually just like
sunburnt.
Yeah, issue from like the stickers being on there, and then everything around it got kind of sunburnt. So
makes sense.
yeah. But we're gonna wrap half of it, and then he said he's gonna get a tank protector, so it should be
Nice. These engine casing covers are real nice.
They're nice. You know, it's actually just Sharpie too.
Oh, the red?
Yeah, they come in white.
Nice. Fancy,
He
fancy.
said he just Sharpied it.
Yeah, so everything's all ripped off.
That's about it. Honestly, this one's like a really short and sweet job.
Yeah.
The only thing is, like, there is a bit more of a process added to this one because, like, we're wrapping it, but then we're also like putting the little life or death two-tone type thing. So
A little specialness I was talking about
Yeah.
earlier. Ooh, y'all, I'm sweating.
it's
Sheesh.
a little more.
I think it's warm today. But I'll just keep the camera off my ugly mug.
But yeah, so we gotta cut like some cherry blossoms out.
Cherry blossoms.
And then we gotta cut those, lay them on top of the wrap on that side and then also on this side. But
Reminds me of yin and yang.
yeah, that's pretty much I think what he's going for.
Yeah.
Just without the yin or yang
Right.
or the life or death.
Zen or yin. Wait, yen is money. But that'll
Yeah.
work too.
That's a type of money, the Japanese yen.
Alright. Well, alrighty, he's gonna continue cleaning and then slap some vinylage.
Yeah, you probably see some wrap on it on the next.
Yeah. What are you doing over there?
Wrapping. Nothing to see here,
Nothing
just
to see here.
making some stuff pretty.
Dirty white vinyl.
Yeah.
Look at this guy. Look at him. Look at him.
Filthying it up, y'all.
Let me see your hand. That's why. This is the
Yes, I'm
culprit.
black.
Your black's wearing off on the vinyl, man.
Yeah.
You gotta get that together.
Right. Yeah, so trying to finish wrapping this belly pan up. It's the dirtiest and most intricate piece.
Intricate.
So
I got braided up.
yeah, I'm about to take them out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had old Pappy. He wanted to just.
Pappy went missing, man. He went MIA.
I know, man. We have this mobile barber that comes in and he cuts us and like off the face of the earth one day, just
Gone.
FaceTimes me yesterday, talking about, hey man, it's been crazy. I'm on the way though.
I'm coming through.
What? Like, okay, I need a haircut.
It's been
so
a
come
month
on.
and a half.
Yeah.
It's been crazy, but I'm on the way.
And I told him, I said, well, I'm thinking about cutting some of it off. He was like, oh man, you should try braids. Like, I ain't no professional or nothing, but I could braid you up. I said, okay, well, I'll try it just to see. So I had him try it. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get somebody professional to do it, and then I'm going to have them stop it like up here. And then the rest of it, I'm going to have like my normal hair. I'm going to have it like curly.
It's gonna be the poof.
Yeah, it's going to be a poof, but braid up to a poof.
Braid to the poof.
Yeah. So that's the move.
That's the move. I would do the same, but I need to get some keeps on top of my head. We thinning out up there. I got all that
Yeah.
luxurious locks down below, but I got to get some keeps, y'all.
Keep sponsor. This video is brought to you by Cody and Cody.
It's facts.
Yeah, we're not gonna say y'all's name until y'all give us something.
You
Come
thought.
on now. What? Gotta finish this piece. Yeah, then I'm gonna do the side piece and some of these other pieces.
That's what happens when you sit down and work.
Yeah.
She's ready to go, y'all. She is not a shop dog. She said, I don't like this life.
His life is not for me.
Uh-uh.
I like the AC.
Yeah, I got her right in front of the AC unit. She's a princess. She's like, take me back home. That piece is done.
So
You gotta put some edge seal.
Maybe. I think I'm gonna keep them pieces black.
I like it.
Right?
It's gonna go with the little flowers.
Yeah, it's some styling. Yeah. So that piece is done. That
go-to redneck.
Right. I feel like we should do like something like boom, and then
Ooh.
it's like, you know, the bike's wrapped or something.
So what you do is you do a donut on it, and when it whips back around, then it'll be wrapped.
Bet.
Well, yeah. Now that we've done donuts.
Yeah, she's done.
She's done. Look at there. Ain't that
So,
fancy?
No, I'm talking about. Let me show you what we do over here.
Over here.
Customs. You know. So we got the two-tone, you know, the half-half, as we like to call it, because it's half a half, which makes it a full, but it's a half wrap. So, satin pearl white on the right. So that's what we did.
Excuse me.
Cherry blossom flower, custom graphic design decal installed on the belly pan. Come over to the other side so we can show the yin and yang of this project. Satin pearl white, cherry blossom, custom. Yeah, that's what we did. The rest of the stuff that you see that's not wrapped like this piece would be like, hey, why isn't this piece wrapped? That's part of that side. Why isn't this piece wrapped? That's part of this side. Y'all didn't even do the front. That's because all those are getting swapped out for forged carbon. So we're gonna have to get some video or photos of that whenever those parts come in, and those get swapped out. So that's the customers doing that. But basically, the parts that are wrapped are the parts that we are keeping on the motorcycle. But she's done for what it is.
What it is, what it was.
What it was gonna be like.
I got a donut in my hand
Yeah,
still.
ripping donuts.
Smells good, but we're eating better now, so I don't know if I'm gonna eat this. This bike's gonna look pretty cool with all the forge, because forge kind of has like whitish, silverish flakes in it.
Facts.
So yeah, it's gonna look good.
Yeah.
This was a short video brought to you by CodyandCodyTV.com. Get your merch now.
Gotta let you people know how grateful we are for y'all. You know, hit over 1,000 subs.
Woo!
If you haven't already and you're watching this video, go on, hit that sub button and be like the rest of these people, because they like what we do and we like what we do, and we like that you guys like what we do.
Facts.
When we like it. So yeah, make sure to hit that sub button. Yeah, leave a comment down below too. Let us know
Like
what
it.
you think. Yeah, you gotta like it.
Gotta like it.
Or you could dislike it, because I hear even
Even
whatever,
dislikes its traction.
Even dislikes its traction. So maybe not. Don't dislike our video. That's like kind of messed up. You know. I mean, if you don't like it, just don't watch it. How
Right.
about that? You know.
Turn it off.
But yeah, that's gonna be it for this one. We're gonna shoot some shots. Shoot our shot.
Shoot. Boom.
Curry.
Oh, right into B-roll.
Say Kobe.
Yeah, you shot it right into B-roll though.
Did I?
Yeah.
All right.
That was clean. You ready? You want to do it again? Oh.